81, 191, 91.
And then your angle is 100. You figured out all parts of a triangle. I am very proud of you.
Nice.
Okay.
Another day's work.
It sounds hard, but think about it like this. What's 10 times 13?
1,300. Wait.
3,112 divided by 13.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Okay, 112. How many times can 13 go into 112? Tell your brother to come lock in on camera.
No. 13 goes into 112. Well, see, 10 goes into 100 10 times. But if you add 3 to that, that would be 7 times.
Hang on, let me think. That actually how that works. Yeah. So it kind of works like that. I would not do it like that at all. It can only go in 7 times, yeah. But there's some left.
Oh, motherfucker! That's a no-brainer.
Okay.
No-brainer, bro.
Okay,
Damn,
but
I'm
think.
good at this shit.
Okay,
I'm
but-
take my ass out now.
Okay, so if it can only go
Alright,
into 100 7 times, what is 13 times 7?
Wait, you said 13 times 7?
What is it?
So 13 7 times.
No. That's slow. Think about it this way. 10 times 7, 3 times 7, add them together.
No,
10 times
actually-
7, 3 times 7, add them together. 10 times 7 and 3 times 7, and then add them together.
Oh, that's a fucking... Explain to me how you did that.
Okay, you have 13, which means you have 10 plus 3, yes? You said 13 can only go into 100 7 times. So multiply 10 times 7 and multiply 3 times 7, and what do you get?
Right. Wait.
What do you
Wait,
get?
wait, okay. I want to ask you something. So,
Okay.
if I were to get a big ass number like that, would I do that for every time I get a big ass number like that, and I need to figure it out? Like, I need to figure
It's
out.
just, it's whatever you want to do, but this is a faster way to do it.
That's a really good way of doing it. I've never heard of that.
This is a
Have you?
fast way to do it. I fucking,
Okay,
what
go.
are you
7 times 10 is 70, right? So.
Yeah.
21.
So what's 70 plus 21?
81. 191. 91.
Yes, 91. Okay. But once you have 91, how much do you have left into that 100 we originally started with? Out of the 100, how much do you have left? Okay, 9. Add that to the 12.
You said add that. Okay.
And then you get what?
Wait. Did you want me to write 91 down first?
Yeah, you can. But now you know
91 under the
that
12?
7 times 13 is 21.
7 times 13 is not 21.
Okay. Start a new one. Where we're gonna keep we're working on the same one, but we're gonna start a new divisions part. So right at the
Right,
division
so
part.
what do I write?
112, 13. So 13 on the outside, 112 on the inside.
Are my tests timed? They're timed, right?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
But you get like 3 hours.
For each one?
No, it's one test.
Oh, I just go through it all?
Yeah, there's a bunch of sections.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you get 3 hours for the whole thing.
Sorry.
You have to leave if you finish.
You said what?
You get to leave when you finish. You don't have to sit there and fucking wait.
Oh! So I can be there like, what, 2 minutes and then leave? Just get the fuck out of there?
Yeah, and fail the test.
And they probably will not have me sign.
Okay. So you have 112 divided by 13, right? How many times can it go in?
112 on the outside?
No, on the inside.
Okay, so why don't you say 13 divided by 112?
So we don't know how to use a division.
Yeah. So you're wanting me to write this down, right?
Yes.
Oh,
That
it
means
is
a hu-
switched over.
That means 112 divided by 13.
What is that?
Okay. So we know 112 or fucking 13 can go into 100 7 times.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Wait.
What's
no,
9
we
plus
could
12?
probably-
No, brother.
Plus-
What's 9 plus 12? So if you add the 9 that we have left from the 100 onto the 12, you get 21, right? Which means
Right.
you can get 13 into this whole number how many more times?
One time.
One time. Okay.
So
So now
it would
in
be-
112, write 8. Under 112 in the big 3,112, write 8.
Oh, okay.
And then you have a remainder of what? What's 21 minus 13?
Huh?
What's 21 minus 13?
Just let me fucking do this, bro.
Oh, you're thinking too hard about this. Think about it. You need to split things up in your head. What's 20 minus 13?
That would be 7.
Plus 1.
8.
Yes. Okay, so you have a
Oh my
remainder of
God,
8.
What the fuck? Who taught you that, bro?
Me.
You're a fucking.
You just need to split things up in your head that makes it easier for you. You don't have to do all this extra stuff. It just makes it harder and
Okay.
take longer. Okay, so you have 8 with the remainder of 8. Then all you have to do is get 13 into 3,000. It sounds hard, but think about it like this. What's 10 times 13?
1,300. Wait! Oh my God! You really got me stumped. Is it 121?
Brother.
Oh, I can't do math that fast. Like I can't. do
10, 10 times any number is just that number with a 0.
Exactly.
So-
correct. Yeah.
So what's
Right.
10 times 13?
Was that? Oh my God, bro. So, bro, okay. That's difficult though because you're adding a 3. You're adding a 3, so I'd have to add the 3 and stuff.
Bro,
Right?
10
Bro,
times, look, just listen. 10 times any number is just the number plus a 0. So what's 10 times 9?
90.
So what's 10 times 13?
130. Oh my fucking god.
Oh,
I'm a
thank
fucking
God.
fat retard.
Okay, so
Holy
if
shit.
10 times 13 is 130, what's 100 times 13?
1,030. 1,300.
Yes. Okay.
Boom!
So that means that you can get 13. Oh. So write down 13 times 100 equals 1300
13 times 100.
equals 1300.
Right.
Okay, so 3000. Now think about it. How many times can 1300 go into 3000?
Wait, did you say? Sorry. Did you say? You said 1,300, not 13,000, correct?
1300, 1300.
Right. Okay.
And go
What was the
into
question?
3000 how many times? Whole. How many times can it go in whole? Yes. Okay. And where does that put you?
That puts me at 2,600.
Okay. So now you have 400 left.
Uh-huh.
So now how I want you to think about it. So you have write down 2. That's going to be 20. But don't write the 0. Just write down 2. And we're going to put the next number next to it, and that'll make it 20 something. Now you have 400. And you need to see how many times you can get 130 into 400. Use what I taught you to figure that out.
3 times. 360, right?
Well,
that's
no, it's gonna be 390. Yes. That's going to be 3 times. And you're going to have how much left?
10.
10. You have to write a remainder. The 23 remainder 10. That's how many times?
Yeah, it's 2,600 with a remainder of 10, right? Because 1,300 times 2 is 2,600.
Right.
And then the
But-
remainder would be... Oh, wait,
No.
'cause I guess...
We don't write the 2-6. We just write that how many times it went into it, which is 2 times. 23 times. The 23 times. And then you have a 10, right? You have a remainder of 10, yes? And then you remember you have a remainder of 8, right?
Right.
So you're going to use that 10. 10 equals 1 of the next place, right? You understand? Like 10 tens equals 100. So if you have a remainder of 10, but it's hundreds, then it's going to be a 100. Look at what I have here. That's 7 times 3. What I want you to look at is right here and right here. See this? Remainder of 8. Because this is a remainder of 8 of this place, because you have a 10 here, you get to make it this place, which means it adds 1 to it. So it makes that 8 and 9, which leaves you with 239.
So 239 with a remainder of 10?
No. The remainder's gone now.
Okay.
239 times 13. So you're going to have a percentage. It's going to be 239 point something times. That 13 can go into 3,112. That's all you need. I mean, one of the answers is going to be 239 something, and you're going to know it's that one. So we just figured out that problem.
Okay. So 13 can go into 3,112, 239 times, or something along those lines.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, you got it right.
What's this number?
Yes. We're going to give you one, and you're going to figure it out on your own.
Oh, 78! Wait. Is
Yes.
that wrong?
Yes, that's right.
Oh my god.
So
Holy
your area is what?
100 and...
No.
78.
Yes. Well, your perimeter is what?
My perimeter is... Oh shit, wait, it's 37, right?
27, yeah.
You said what?
Yeah. 37.
Okay,
Cool.
and then my angle is 100.
And then your angle is 100. You figured out all parts of a triangle. I am very proud of you.
Nice.
Okay.
Another day's work.
The day's work.
All in a day's work, just to become spec ops or some shit.
Yep, we just did it. We figured out to do math. Hell yeah.
At 18 years old.
Yeah.
But I couldn't have done it without such a great teacher.
I couldn't have done it without such a great teacher. You understand English, right?
I'm sorry?
You understand
I
English?
might not know math. I'm not a complete fucking retard.
I'm just asking. I don't think you're stupid.
Honestly, some of the words on the PyCat, okay, I knew most of them, but there was like 1 or 2 that I just did not know. And science is like, that's like a given for me, to be honest. I don't think
Science
you
is
can ever
mostly
fail
math.
a science quiz.
Yeah. You know more about cars than I do, so you'll probably do better on the automotive part.
I barely know shit about cars, I'm gonna be real.
I know nothing.
I don't know where you got this narrative that I knew a lot about cars. I mean, I know most things, and I know what should be there and what should not be there, or what should not be happening and should be happening, but I don't know like specific names for certain parts.
You might get. Do you know what pi is?
3.14?
Do you know what the radius of a circle is? Take a picture of that with your phone and send it to me later, please.
Gotcha, bro. Gotcha.
So draw a dot in the middle of the circle.
Looks like a titty.
It does actually look like a titty, actually. Holy shit. Hold up your titty.
Wait, do you want to jerk off on the cam?
Titty. Booby.
Dude, how did you draw a circle that great?
Booby. Okay, the nipple. The nipple is called the midpoint. The distance from the nipple, any point on the outside of the circle, is called the radius. Okay? So the line, you see the line that I drew? That's the radius. The radius all the way across is called the diameter. So radius times 2 is diameter. That's the diameter. So Copy that. Make 2 circles and do that. Label 1 radius and label 1 diameter. So make a circle that has a halfway and make a circle that has it the whole way. Make label the halfway one radius and label the whole way one diameter.
Close to nothing about. Well, I knew addition and subtraction and some multiplication of my multiplication tables.
And what did you think you were going to get on there? Yeah.
A low 40, a low 50.
What do you think you're going to get now?
At least a 50 or maybe a low 60.
Okay. So what do you know now? What
Yeah.
can you tell me about what I taught you?
Well, I can almost tell you how to do long division.
Okay.
And I can tell you how to find the circumference of a circle.
Yep.
And I can tell you how to find the area, the perimeter, and the angle of a triangle.
Hell yeah.
Yep, that's pretty good. Now, is this going to be like one of those TikTok videos where I say, where you say, how much did you get on the ASVAB? Or how much are you going to get on the ASVAB? And I'm going to say, and then it cuts, and then I show you my score, and it was a fucking 2.
I might actually add that now that you mentioned it.
You should definitely do that.